As you can see, this one person has made $12 watching videos. Another person has made $18 watching videos. And another person has made $17 watching videos. Now, if you want to make money like this just watching videos, go to www.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money fast just by watching videos online. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Now, also give me a like. It really helps out my videos and helps out this channel. And help me to get like 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm presenting to you guys today. Also type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win some free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. Once I hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment that says hashtag get your grind on, and that person's going to win some free money. So make sure you type that in the comments below. All right, let me go ahead and get into this. So please watch this all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss any steps that you need to take to make this money just watching videos. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at this website and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. Now on this website, you're going to be watching video and making money from watching these videos, but you're going to be watching ads, so video ads. So it says here, collect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. So as you can see down here, if you want to advertise, you can come here and advertise something, and you got people that earn from watching advertisements. So once you come here, you're just going to click on that to get started, where it says start earning under the earn section. Now they have received 3,385,675 users registered on this website. That's a lot of people on here. So it says here, earning money online just got easy. We have different options to maximize your earning, and they have it on an app, so you can download the app at the App Store or the Google Play Store, and it's free to sign up. And they have paid out to members $9,022,655 to their members. Okay, now let me show you some proof here. Some payment proof. So we're going to go to earners, and these are the top earners in the last 48 hours. And let's just scroll down here, and it says here you can earn more with the bonus ad points. So you can earn an extra $10 with the bonus ad points. And let's just scroll down here and see some payment proof. So this person, the first person, has cashed out and they got $2.78. Another person cashed out and got $1. Another person got $1.09. Another person got $12. So I know the $1 and $2 is real low, but they probably want to cash out their days, because you don't have to wait for weeks or whatnot to cash out. You can make some money that day and cash out. But if you want to cash out more than $1, you can, look at some ads all day long and then cash that out. At the end of the day, you probably no telling how much money you can make. All right, so once you cash out, you gotta have Payoneer, Perfect Money, or Litecoin, which is cryptocurrency. Now, what I'm gonna do is log into my account and show you how this actually works. So give me 1 second and let me log in. Okay, I'm in my account now. So when you sign up and log into your account, this is the page you're gonna see. And what you're gonna do is go here where it says paid ads. And matter of fact, name of this website is Paid Verts. So you're gonna go where it says paid ads, click on that. And as you scroll down here, it's kind of show you how much money you're gonna get for the ads that you watch right here. So here's one that has like 5 cents for an ad, so you probably want to click on there. You'll click where it says view bonus ad. Takes you to the ad. You just scroll up here where it says confirm, but first you have to just select this picture. It says click and touch the apple, so you just click on the apple right there and confirm it, and then this little message is going to pop up, says please wait. And boom, there you go. You just earned not even 1 cent yet, but you've earned 0.00475 of a cent right here. I know that's kind of low, but you know, look, it only took a few seconds to just click on the ad. Now you earn some cents. So then after that, you just go to the next ad. Do the same thing. See right here where it says click or touch the key. Click and touch the key, click on confirm. Wait, what was that, 5 seconds? Boom, that's it. You just earned 19 something cents. So all that can add up, and you see how it only takes 5 seconds to look at an ad. So that's basically how it works. So let me go ahead and get out of here. Okay, I'm back at the main page in my account. So they got other things you can do. You can click grid. You can make some money from that. They got cash offers, pick walls. They got games. So they got a lot of other things you can do on this website to earn some money. And so, like I said before, to cash out, you gotta have Payoneer, Perfect Money. Those are payment platforms where you can cash out your money. Or if you want to cash out in Bitcoin, you can use, I'm sorry, not Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency, you can use Litecoin. All right, so if you're ready to make some money watching videos, just looking at some ads, go ahead and go to paidverts.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that'll pay you fast just by watching videos online. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And help me, like I said earlier, help me to get 50 likes, guys. It's going to really help out my channel. And the more likes I get, the more my video will show up in the recommended area on YouTube. And you know what that means? More potential viewers and more potential subscribers. Because I'm trying to get to this 3,000. You know, it's taking a minute. We're almost halfway there. I'm almost at 2,500. So I got about 500 more subscribers to go. That's nothing. That's easy. So you guys just hit that like button for me and help me to get like 50 likes. And drop a comment down below, because if you type hashtag get your grind on, you're going to get a chance to win some free money once I get that 3,000 subscribers. So drop that down in the comments below. Also, if you had any questions about what I talked about today, drop that down in the comment section below also. Okay, guys, please share this all around the internet because I really, really want to help everybody I can be financially free and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. If you're new or if you've been watching my videos and just haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And hey, leave a creative comment down in the comment section because sometimes I give out shout outs. So if you put down a real creative comment that I like, I might shout you out in my next video. Okay, one more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. All right, go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on.